Hey guys, welcome to my test world here. Been playing around with the piston extenders, simple ones, and this one's been around for a little while. Double piston extender that's very compact. The only problem with it is if you wanted to have a wall here or something, it wouldn't. You got the dust there, so it kind of interferes with the having a wall there. But if you simply rearrange things a little bit, same repeater setup, it's you can fit it inside of a wall like that, so it's kind of more hidden that way. And that's nothing really special, it's just rearranging the redstone, but it might be useful for different applications. What I wanted to show you next is it accomplishes the same thing, except it does it in a very different way. It's using a monostable circuit, and we're just using a simple button push, and the same action will extend the block, and then the next button push with the same piston action, it'll retract it. So the pistons are doing the same thing each time. It's just on one trip they're pushing the block out, and the next trip they're pulling it back in, except when it breaks like that. There, it seems to work now. Sorry. Just making sure there. Alright, so basically what's going on is we have a monostable circuit with a very quick pulse on 3, 1, 2, and the first pulse goes to this block, actually this block here. So the first impulse is for this piston to shove out this piston, and then the next pulse is coming through here, and that travels into this block here. By this time, this piston is now up here, and it sends a quick pulse which shoves that sandstone block out and leaves it there. Remember, the one tick pulse, it'll push out a block and leave it there. So far what's happened, this piston here has pushed out this one and left it up here, and then this piston from this pulse here pushes the sandstone block out here and leaves it there. And then after that, what we're doing is retracting. So the next pulse that comes through is this one here, which it reaches out and grabs the piston that's up here. This one here is now up here. It brings that back, and then this pulse through here doesn't really do anything on the extraction. It'll give a pulse, but it's not doing anything because there's no block there. So that's what happens in the first trip, and then when you hit the button again, everything happens in reverse. It extends everything out, except this time it'll pull the block back with it. So I'm going to show you this one more time, and I'm going to slow it way down so you can kind of see what's going on. It's kind of hard to see. So it's kind of a cool mechanism, I think. It's not quite as compact as this one, obviously, but you don't have the piston. When you extend the block, you don't have that piston sticking out here like that. So depending on your application, it might be a little bit better for you. So I think that's kind of cool. You can do this vertically. I haven't been able to make it much smaller than this, but this does the same thing. It's the same pulses, except it's vertical is not nearly as easy as the horizontal ones, but it is possible vertical. So hopefully we can get that a little bit smaller. But anyway, hope you guys find that interesting and can put it to some practical use. Thanks for watching.